Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kajala uba Prestone Tinsong habakran hagajialang bu mau nongrem yuka sekretariat bathamai hamau diang ulaong bakadon kakam yangi ban ajing Ïaroh yaki kam babha ki baka Sorkar kale ban shu Kynthoh uba Prestone ulaong banadu ba ulong kum unong mi khmat umpoi perkhat bakinang la ban penken ria yuka sekretariat syakawei ke jaka handrei ku bakalong menta ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalabu i umau nongrem nak benta kani bat ki kam kila ulong kum bakila thmu bat shan ki kam ki jam kin sedang no Ulaban rap ru dak baong baka Sorkar ka don ni kajing ui jengai bat ka thong ban kenjo yakini baro anla ban pendep kumba kila bu thong hapo usnem arajar lai puar ulaong ru babun na kipat ba kajela kimpoi perkhat bakinang la ban penken ria ya ka sekretariat handai menta kala urlong hadin baladap yakani kipat ba kin sayo ban wan don kam ban wan pet kai ya ki jingdon jing em hakani ka jaka omtang kibana kajela kin wan handai ki weiru na ki wei kajela bat na ki weiru kiri kin sawan ban yatre kamlang ban kin tiu ya kajela syakman
kani de ka klip mat ka bagi de ban kemen ban snow ba bat lu ban ai ka jingro yo chief minister ban ulom bat ka Sorkar baro koi baleng muta teng lakmit kang ban ye kedukti yo Sorkar na kerpat bade ban don teng kapor bangin appreciate ye kam ki baka Sorkar Namangat tikna abha nyok ho 100% inong song hakajela magla kim ju poi perkhat bamenta kasni kan de kasni ka bangila banbu ya mau nomrim na ka benta sekretariat ka batma kai kijing mentor ka bandung kong ka bangakwa ban ong khamtam yaki pa no song yaki senjuk ki ranba snong jom kan ke area baru kowe today ki banyo nungkong ya kajing mentoy kan ke area jom pi kan long kowe na kijaka ki ba itna hadu kadanta bakelen saudong kari India bakelen saudong jom ke puthe adin bangil det ya ki project si bape kin sawan jumoka kin sawan donka batlu kin sawan ban ya trekam rengkat pada Sorkar bat tunjuk bat pi ki bosno ki borthau nun namar kata ya pi kino ya langsung jong kadega area parkoi doni trelang pada Sorkar ka project ka basia haja sispa telur tam kamde ka kajing betul ka bakra tang kawai ka bangkerpan na kalian joki no sensasno to ye trelang pada Sorkar namar bipun ba teng kijing wit kijing pentur kijing ya syok kijing ya ada kerpat rate I urge fervently to the headman of this area cooperate with us let us closely work together and the target of this project is to complete on or before 3 years time from now. So please let us work together. Ini ya treasure to na. Nama kali kamde kapulong jong korna lani jong ki cabinet ministers kali pulong jong ki paipa jong kecela megla jong perku. So lastly, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly right from 2003 till today. I thought the secretariat cannot be shifted or cannot happen again, or I don't think we'll be able to afford to have a new secretariat in the New Shillong Township. But today, our dream is translated to reality. And you need to understand one thing, why this has happened. It's because under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, I remember we have vision document. Not only vision, I should say we have vision and also a mission document where we would like to carry out in all the sectors in the state of Meghalaya that by 2032 we wanted to see all those dreams, all those aspirations become a reality for the state of Meghalaya. Let me once again put it on record. The foundation stone today is to dedicate to the people of Meghalaya. And very soon, new secretariat will be in place and the blessing goes to the state of Meghalaya. God bless Meghalaya. God bless government and God bless people of the state. Congratulations.